Yes, girls, can you see my screen? Girls, can you see my screen? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will start chapter
Yes,
number
ma'am.
12. Okay. So in chapter number 12, you will learn electricity and circuits. Okay. So what is electricity and how it is um, how it is just it is not just a thing that is coming in light and light is glowing. Okay, so how cell, this electric cell. Okay, so how electric cell is working, how circuits are working. And so we will do this chapter too, and you will get a good knowledge about how electricity and how lights are working. So you will get a good knowledge. Okay, so this is very important lesson of our day-to-day life. Okay, let's start the chapter number 12. Yes. Who will read? Kanani Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start reading with her.
Lesson number 12. Electricity and circuits. We use electricity for many purposes to make our task easier. For example, we use electricity to operate pumps that lift water from wells or from ground level to the top tank. What are other purposes for which you see electricity? List some of them in your notebook. Does your list include the use of electricity for lighting? Electricity makes it possible to light our homes,
Wait a minute.
roads.
Okay, bus. Okay. Now, just as you know that electricity uses in many purpose. Okay, it is making our task easier. It is given that before, in before, I'm talking about before 100 years. Okay, when there was no electricity. Ladies used to how ladies used to collect the water in tank. They used to collect with tank, they used to collect from pot to tank. Okay, they are taking, they are working and they are putting that pot into the tank. Okay, so they are collecting in that way. But nowadays what happened, because of electricity, just we are switching one switch, and our water is coming from ground level to roof tank top. Okay, rooftop tank. So we don't have to do any kind of hard work. Okay, so just put on switch and your water will fill, or your tank will fill. So because of electricity, our work is being reduced and our life is more easier. Same thing happened. You can even take a good example of mixer jar. Before, when there was no electricity and no mixer jar, what you ladies used to do chutneys and all, they used to do with the hand. Okay, but because of electricity and invention, we are doing chutneys in that mixer, okay, pot. So it is now just taking only 1 or 2 minutes to do. But before doing all this hand, it is taking hours and hours. Okay, so our life is getting more easier because of electricity. Now, our main use of electricity is to light the homes. Okay, roads, vehicles, and offices and factories. Okay, yes, continue. So, you have to make a list? Okay, you have to make a list where you can use where the purpose of where electricity is used. Okay, so you have to make a note of around 15 purpose, 15 tasks where you are using electricity. Okay girls, you will make it. 15 ऐसी जगह पे ऐसी टास्क, एक ऐसी लिस्ट बनानी है जहाँ पे तुम लिख सको कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तुम कहाँ यूज करते हो. जस्ट 15, ओनली जस्ट राइट अ पॉइंट. No big sentences. Okay, just 1 or 2 words. Yes, will you make it for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now continue.
Roads, offices, markets, and factories, even after sunset, helps us to provide
Continue. No, to continue.
continue working at night. Our station provides us with electricity. However, the supply of electricity may fail or it may not be available at some places. In such situation, a torch is sometimes used for providing light. A torch has a bulb that lights up when it is switched on. Where does the torch get electricity from?
Now, uh, this because of electricity we are getting, so after sunset we can do our work, okay, at night also. Now electricity help us to continue work at night. Even in night we can work it easily, because of electricity, because of light. However, the sometimes what happening when some electricity supplies for fail, okay, or where there is no electricity, what is happening? They are using torchlight. Okay, so torchlight has a bulb that lights. Okay, so you can use it as a light, sources of light. Okay, to work at night or even after sunset. So this how this is working. The torch has two things. One power and then other is bulb. Okay. So how electric cell, that batteries, we are saying batteries. Okay. How batteries are working. We'll learn how batteries are working and how bulbs are working. Okay. We will get this knowledge. Okay. So yes, Rabia. Bashri
Yes, ma'am.
Rabia. Okay. 12.1.
Electric 12.1 Electric cell. Electricity to the bulb, a torch, provided by the electric cell. Electric cells Electric cells are also used in alarm clocks, wristwatches, transistor radios, cameras, and many other devices. Have you ever carefully looked at an electric cell? You might have noticed that it has a small
Metal cap.
one side, metal cap on one side and a metal disc on the other side. You notice a positive plus sign and a negative minus sign marked on the electric cell.
Hold on. Okay. Now this is electric cell, battery. We are saying, okay. So you have this electric. It is called as electric cell. So how this is working? Because in electric cell there are chemical. Okay. So because of this chemical, these batteries are working. Okay. So these batteries are working, is used in electric wristwatches, radios, camera, and many other devices. Okay, watches, and then remotes. Okay, all this, in all these types of electric cell are being used. Okay, this we are saying is as a battery. Okay, so this type of batteries are used. You know that you might have noticed that this is okay. This is a metal cap over here. This is called metal cap. Okay, and it is having positive sign here. Positive. It is called positive terminal. Okay, and this is metal disc. Okay, and it is having negative terminal over here. So in metal cap it is positive and disc it is a negative. So they are having two terminals. Okay, this called positive terminals. Positive terminal. And this is called negative terminal. Okay, so you can see, in every cell, electric cell, it is marked positive and negative. You can check it. Okay, you just open your remote and take out the battery. You will see that there is a on the top side where there is a metal cap, it is marked as positive and negative at the end at the disc part. Yes, continue, beta.
Ma'am, can I read Ilma?
So let the Rabia Bashir finish. Then Ilma. Metal cap.
Metal cap is the positive terminal of the electric cell. Metal disc is the negative terminal. All electric cells have two terminals, positive terminal and a negative terminal.
As I told you that on the metal cap it is positive terminal at the end of the disc, metal disc, it is a negative terminal. So as I told you that every cell is having two terminals. It is compulsory, okay? Positive terminal and the negative terminals are sorry, as it is there only. Now yes, Ilma, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. An electric cell produce electricity from the chemicals stored inside it.
With a chemical store inside.
Chemicals stored inside it. When the chemical in the electric cell are used up, electric cell stop.
Electricity.
Yes, ma'am. Production electricity.
Producing
Producing electricity. The electric cell King has to replace it and King has to replace
and
with and has to replace with a new one.
what
And
we are
your
doing when
not
okay
clear.
wait okay when we are when our battery is finished, what we are doing, we are throwing that battery and we are using replacing new battery, okay? So there is a chemical over here and electricity produce electricity from the chemical stored inside, okay? This is a very good sentence. When chemicals of electricity is used up, okay, so when the chemical is finished from the battery, it will stop producing electricity. And then what we are doing, if it is not producing electricity, we are throwing that cell and we are replacing with the new one. So now who will read? I want
Ma'am, can I read?
yes, who? Samira Qureshi. Who is Samira Qureshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read it. A torch has a bulb. So, sir, yes, a torch bulb has a
A touch bulb has an outer case of glass, then it fixed on the
metal,
medical cell.
metallic base. Okay, now we
Metal-
are talking about the bulb. Okay, we have finished about cell. Now we are talking about bulb. How bulb is taking electricity and how it is glowing, how it is luminous. Yes, the torch figure. Continue, beta.
What is inside the glass case of the bulb?
Yes, activity number 1.
Take a torch and look inside its bulb. You can also take out the bulb with the help of your teacher. What do you notice? Do you find it thin were fixed in the middle of the glass bulb? Now touch the torch on and observe which part of the bulb is glowing.
Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, now what we have to do, now we are learning how this bulb is working. Okay, so a torch has a, a bulb has a glass case. Okay, that is, have you seen that bulb? Okay, so it is having a glass case with metallic base. Okay, so you can see it here. Okay, this is a bulb. Okay, so it is having a glass case and metallic base. Okay, so this is base, metallic base, and the bulb is made up of glass case. Yes, now who will read? I want Zahid Lohia.
Yes, ma'am. The thin wire that gives off light is called the filament of the bulb. The filament is fixed of two thicker wires, which also provide support to it, as shown in figure 12.2. One of these thick wires is connected to the metal case is at the base
Base of
of the
the bulb.
bulb. Figure 12.2. The other thick wire is connected to the metal tip at the center of the base. The, the base of the bulb and the metal tip of, of the base are the two terminals of the bulb. These two terminals are fixed in a
Such a way.
such way that they do not touch each other. The electric bulbs used at home also have a similar design.
Okay, now
Thus,
we will done. Okay, wait. Okay, so now you can see this bulb. Okay, this bulb, this this thin wire. Okay, this thin wire. You can see it in the middle. Okay, just here, this middle. Okay, this is called filament. Okay, and there are two here and here. There are two thick wire. Okay, so this is called, there are two thick wire which is giving support to the filament. Okay, so now uh, there are two thick wires which is provide support to it as shown in figure. As this thick wire is connected to the metal base. Okay, now these wires are, this wire, look, this wire is connected here. You can see it over here. This here. It is connected, one to connected at the base. It has shown here, look, one is connected at the base and one is connected at the, one is connected here, one is connected at the top of the metal tip. Okay, so for it is having terminals as well. So positive, as cell is having positive and negative terminals, bulb is having two terminals as well. So one terminal is here. Okay, here first terminal and second terminal is here. Okay. Okay, you get my idea, beta? You get the point?
Ma'am.
Okay. If you don't understand, please say it to me. You know this is called filament. Okay. Again, I am explaining you. This is called filament. This is very important. Okay. And it will come in exam. This is filament, and there are two other thicker wire who is supporting to the filament. These two thicker wire is connected first is connected here, and second is connected over here. Okay, so this is called terminals. Okay, so and these terminals are connected in a such a way that it won't be touch. Okay, ये दोनों अपने आप अपने जगह पे ही रहते हैं, टच नहीं कर सकते दोनों. So this is a torch bulb. Okay, but the bulb which is used in our house is also same design, similar design. Okay, here you can now who will read? Ash Sayed. Ash Sayed, open your microphone.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the question.
Cartoon.
Question, beta.
A question. Never join to the two terminals of the electrical
Cell.
cell without connecting them through a switch and a device like a bulb. If you do show the chemical
Chemicals.
chemicals in the electric
Well,
cell we get used up very fast and the cell stops working.
so it is given note that question means note. Never connect without connecting inside of electrons in use up. So sorry, use up, and what will happen? Will use up very fast, and it will terminals. Does and the bulb have to. Why do they have? I told you that electrical positive bulb is having also both bulb. Why these terminals are? What is the use? And now, how terminals showing the light? Manish, if I say, and then you Meghani Amrin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading later.
12.2 A bulb connected to an electric cell. Let us try to make an electric bulb light up using an electric cell. How do we do that? Activity number 2.
Number two, okay, how this signals are used.
Activity number 2. Take 4 lengths of electric wire with differently colored plastic coverings. Remove a little of the plastic covering from each length of wire at the ends. This would expose the metal wires at the ends of each length. Fix the exposed part of 2 wires to the cell and the other 2 of the bulb as shown in figure 12.3 and figure 12.4.
Uh, Red, okay, we have to take 4 wires, okay, any color, red, blue, many, black, yeah. 4 wires, different color, okay, what we have to yes, that. Here as well, sorry, that we have to put, we have to connect rubber band, okay. Bulb, we have to do, we have to connect two same type of cover, so you have to with the help of sellotape, sellotape using black
Me,
Okay.
you can stick the wires to the bulb with the tape used by electricians. Use rubber bands or tape to fix the wires to the cell. Now connect the wires fixed to
As I
the
told
bulb.
you that, okay, hold on. Told you before only that how this wire bulb band. You have to use rubber band that tape bulb. Okay.
Now connect the wires fixed to the bulb with those attached to the cell in 6 different ways, as have been shown in figure 20 to F. For each arrangement, find out whether the bulb
For each arrangement, find out whether the bulb glow or not. Okay. Now I'll show you the 6 types of arrangement. Okay. So we have to see that whether the bulb is glowing or not. If it is connected properly only, then only the bulb will connect. Okay, so sorry, glow. If it is not connected properly, then the bulb will not. This is sixth arrangement. Okay, type of arrangement. A to F. A, B, C, D, E, F. So we will see first F. Sorry, A. In figure A, what is done? This wire is connected properly here. So bulb is glowing. Okay, look. Okay, ध्यान से देखना. ये देखने की चीज. So in figure A, this both ends are connected properly. So the bulb is glowing. Now in figure B, come to the figure B. Top part is connected, but the bottom part is not connected. So the bulb is not glowing. Okay. Top part is connected, but the bottom part is not connected. So bulb is not glowing. Come to the figure C. The bottom part is connected, but the top part is not connected. Bulb is not glowing. Now come to the figure D. Both ends are connected at the disc, at the negative point, negative terminal. So bulb is not glowing. Same thing happened in both are connected at the positive terminal. So bulb is not glowing. But in F, again both are connected. But in एक ऊपर देखो ए में सीधा सीधा था, top to top and bottom to bottom. Okay, but in F, top part is connected to the bottom part. Top cell terminal is connected to the bottom cell, bottom bulb terminals. Okay, and the top bulb terminal is connected to the bottom cell terminals. Okay, but then also it will glow. Okay, so we are now we get the idea that when two wires is connected properly, okay, then only this light will glow. If it is not connected properly, then what will happen? The light will not. Okay, again समझाऊं मैं कि समझ आ गई बात को? Yes, girls. Got the idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyone is having doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No,
Okay,
ma'am.
if you are having, please say to me so I can. You guys having doubt? Again, no, no?
Ma'am.
Okay. So this is the arrangements which is done here. Okay, from 6 arrangements only in just 2 arrangements the bulb is glowing, and in 4 is not glowing because of not connected properly. Yes. Yes. Zainab Asrar, please read it for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Yes or no?
Write, write yes or no for each arrangement in your notebook. Now carefully look at the arrangements in which the bulb glows. Compare these those in which the bulb does not glow. Can you find the reason for the difference? The tip of your pencil on the wire near one terminal of the electric cell for arrangement in 12.5, the pencil along the wire all the way to the bulb. Now, from the other terminal of the bulb, move along the other wire of the move along the other wire connected to the cell. Repeat this. Repeat this exercise for all the other arrangements. Help the bulb glow in for the arrangements. The other.
Okay. Now we have to do that. We have to move the pencil along with. Okay, or with all arrangement. Now we have to see while moving the arrangement, this bulb is glowing or not. Okay. So we will do this activity in our next lecture. Okay. Our time has been finished. So I'm leaving your class. Okay, and we'll continue tomorrow. Inshallah. Okay. Till then, have a nice day and take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a
Bye.
nice
Bye,
day,
bye.
ma'am.